So I have my old iPhone 13 here, and it's she's a little swollen, and it don't turn on anymore. Even when you charge it, you plug it in to charge, no Apple logo loads up. We've got our makeshift work tray here from our Timu tablet. Box. Oh, that was a good shot. Don't mind the cracking back here. We're not even going to attempt to fix that. But the reason things usually swell like this is usually due to la batterie. As you can see, we still got iPhone 7 glass in here. This hasn't been used in a long time. I mean, I've turned it on, and probably once or twice in the last year, but I haven't used it in a long time. And it's already separating at the display, but I'm still gonna heat it up because I struggled pretty hard getting that iPhone 7 screen off or display so I could change the display. So we're gonna give her a little heater-oonie. Actually, I should probably move la batería. Okay. Actually, I'm kind of a dodo head. I should probably take the screws out first. Pentalobe. Also, I just bought some cheapo replacement iPhone 13 battery with supposedly 9,300 milliamp hours, but yeah, I doubt that is true. Here's what the battery looks like. It's not going to be able to tell me battery percentage unless I take like the little freaking this connector plug thing off of the old battery, which I barely want to even do this. I barely even know how to do this. I only learned through watching videos. That iPhone 7 replacement I did, the screen, that's about my extent. And I stated my disdain for repair of iPhones myself in that video. I can't believe people want to do this for a living. I think it's insane. I'd rather repair laptops or other stuff, but yeah, that just putting those screws back in drove me crazy. Maybe I should try and buy the proper toolkit. Maybe that's a me thing. I don't know. I build big stuff, so maybe the little tiny screws are just not. I mean, look at my hands. My hands are freaking been through meat grinders, basically. Like, those look worse than a 60-year-old woman's feet that hasn't been to freaking salon in 10 years. Doesn't wear sandals outside. But just for gits and shiggles, we're gonna pop this boy out because, I mean, hell, it was in the kit. Can't imagine it needs to be in there. Go over there. Less screws need to come out. I have a little chingadera right here, whole kit, but I feel like it didn't really matter what I was using earlier because I still struggled to put the screws back in the plates when I was doing the display on the iPhone 7. I hated it, every second of it. It was the bane of my existence. So being as magnetization isn't something I think even helped me. I think it might have even hindered me, or maybe it's just me hindering me. I'm just going to use what was provided here. Why is the shank of this thing so long? I do not know. But, we're done with that for now. Now I'm going to heat it up. Okay, we got this boy hot. Where's that dang chipperoonie? So I don't even think hell, can't hurt. Might as well give her a little suckaroony. I like to go close to an edge. Oh man, that's a lot tighter than I was expecting it to be. Ooh. Well, it looks like we can access right here where it's separated, so I'll just go. And again, you don't want to go too deep. I like how this pick has edges, probably to keep you from going too deep. That's what she said. Down by the seashore. Oh, well, that kind of barely did anything. Okay, we're in now. Man, that's some good adhesive. A lot stronger than the broken ass glass on my iPhone 7. And again, no, I'm not going to use this. Man, it is destroying this pick though. Which, who gives a shit, right? Okay, try it again. Oh, there we go. That's a little tighter than I would like it to be, so I'll go this way. Being as that side was the loose side already. Oh. Well, that was a failure. Wow. Oh, good thing it's not going to get used. Oh, I mean, hell. We started a job. By God, we're going to finish it. Wow, if I just would have applied a little more heat. My dumbass wouldn't have done that. I mean, what the hell? Well, not like I was gonna use it without taking the screen off. Man, that's really, really crappy. Oh. The book opens the other way on this. Let me cut the rest of this crap off. That should separate us the rest of the way. Alright, yep, you can see right there. Our battery, she's a swollen. Now, I just gotta find where it plugs in. Assume that it goes the same way, like so. But I'm gonna assume I take this tape off. I guess a broken display is better than not working at all. Hey, I guess we got a whole new video out of this too, because I'm not gonna be able to let that go. I think that this cable's facing the wrong way. Whatever. Let's go ahead and get these screws out. Should have just heated it up longer. What a dipshit. Okay, that's one, that's two. That's three. Two. Those are all the same size, unlike the iPhone 7. There was one that was longer. Get this clip out of here. If I was smart, I would probably unplug the display, but this display is broken already, so who gives a shit? Get a little pick. see. One of these. There it is. That's the battery. Bless you. Now, I gotta get the, what's it called? The pull tabs. Oh, look at that. Maybe I could break the rest of this phone. Trying to fix it. Use this one. I don't even know where the pull tabs are. Oh, I guess I don't need them. Oh, there they are. Whoops. I guess this battery's gotten hot enough for it to not matter. Yeah, that's a swollen boy. Look at that size difference. Can you see it right there? Yeah, it's a swollen boy. This is a done deal, is what that is. You're supposed to find these pull tabs and, what's it called? Like kind of twirl them up. And it like twists them, like kind of like a ribbon, helps pull it out. These are coming out pretty easily. I tried repairing an iPhone 7 and then I didn't bother to even post the video because it was such a miserable failure that, or not 7, a 7 Plus, sorry. Although I didn't break it, so. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me get this kit ready. So this cable doesn't come the same size as the 13. Actually maybe it does, but I guess you want to try and bend it the same way. I kind of just did that without even looking at it, but yeah. So we're gonna put the pull tabs on. This sits in there like this, so I'm just gonna flip it over, throw it on our broken ass display. And then I don't really know which side's supposed to get which side, but I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh, wait a minute. Okay, it goes like this. Battery's gonna go in there like this. So the half circle should be like this. Oh shit, what an idiot. Okay, anyway. Yeah, something like that. Oh, those were the pull tabs that I... Okay, well, you live and you learn. So that should be right. Yep, that's right. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug this battery in first. There we go. Battery's plugged in. And I'm gonna just... Man, I'm so bothered about that display. Well, obviously I'm not gonna put the glue on. Well, let's see if it powers on. Ah, that's such a disappointment. Ah, man. No. Oh shit, I gotta put the fucking screws in. Damn it. Seeing that, I mean, the display works. Everything works. I don't know that it's gonna tell me about the battery. Unverified, yeah. Let's see what iOS we're on about. We're on 18 on this phone. I haven't turned this phone on in quite some time. We're gonna turn it back off because I need to This one? Okay. I need to put the plate back on the inside. Okay, just so you guys can see, I didn't lie and I actually spent the 20 minutes it takes to put these 2 screws in. We've made the last one. Alright, so what have we learned? Well, I'd say first and foremost we've learned that we are not an iPhone technician. I think less jokingly, but just as importantly, maybe more, if you're going to attempt to be an iPhone technician, obviously I'm not going to glue this down because I'm going to eventually one day, when I feel like I can spend like $40 just to fix a mistake on a broken glass iPhone 13, yeah, I'll glue it in then. But I think we've learned that if you're going to attempt to take a display off of anything, go heavy on the heat. Don't hold back. Just go heavy on the heat. You'll save yourself some heartache in the end. Don't end up like me. Fix your battery, break your display. Don't want to be that guy. But I will say, the phone wouldn't turn on at all, even plugged in, unless I broke that display. But what I'm saying is it didn't have to happen that way. Could have been done without breaking it. So just apply the proper amount of heat, and you won't end up with a broken corner like me. Yeah. Let's jam this in the hole. That's what she said. Get that cinched in. Oh. Alright. Okay. Alright. Now, for the piece de la resistance. Could I see your charger for 1 second? Alright, thank you. Uh-oh. Oh, that's no good. No chargy? Okay. Now we sorry. And we charge it. Says maximum battery capacity. Yeah, I don't know. But that's it. We've made a non-operational iPhone 13 of mine operational again at the cost of the OEM display. Don't be like me. Just be patient. What? First successful battery swap. Semi-successful. Thanks for watching.